big day. There's a lot to be asked for, and we're looking forward to it. It's going to be a very even game, and it's just maybe who has the most nerves today will win it. We knew coming in as a group that it was going to come down to us in Tipperary.
It's going to be a really, really close game. I think it's going to come down to the last 10 minutes. And I suppose, look, when the conditions are like this, it's just going to be down to whichever team can execute the game plan. And so far, we haven't had the best season in terms of results. But at the end of the day, people only remember the All-Ireland Championship. So whoever gets the win today is into the quarter-final.
This is the match we were training for all year. Like, even today, we were coming along in the car and we said we couldn't believe it was here. So this is a big game for us.
Desher scoring Anna-Rose Kennedy, Tasha Shinning.
A lot of the groundwork was done in the first half. I thought we were absolutely excellent.
Deshel and son, like Anna-Rose Kennedy, Tasha Shinning.
As good a team performance as I've seen from a team, you know.
It was Tipperary and Lawn Albany.
Like, all along we knew that Donegal were going to be really, really tough. They play a really, really strong blanket defence. It's so hard to break them down. Half time that Donegal were going to get a purple patch, and we just didn't want to panic. We wanted to stay cool and calm.
Katie Dowd, Shanson son, counts on Chorish, Peter Coolin and Clegadish, Donegal Coolinella, I'm shooting on passive for her now.
It's like a bakery out here today, was so warm. But we have to keep pressing. We have to just keep pressing the teams in them motions, because when we sat off, we gave teams momentum. We went 5 points up and then 6 points up, and I suppose we kind of sat off a bit. And you know what? It didn't suit us. And we started pressing again. We won 1 or 2 kickouts and we got a point. And I think that's the way we played the game.
Really, really happy with how we performed as a team, and everyone, I thought, fought for each other and we moved the ball well.
I think it's our first time in maybe 40 years been into a quarter-final. I know we've All-Ireland titles won in the past, but you know, this is new ground for us.
We won the All-Ireland 2019 and we've been up senior ever since, but this is the first time now we've qualified for the quarter-final, so it's really, really sweet.
We're not going bad in relegations, and we battled it in the league and we finished bottom in the Munster Championship, but we came here and it's the All-Ireland Series is where it's about, and we put ourselves into the All-Ireland quarter-final and said, whichever team we face, well, I'll tell you one thing, they'll be in for a battle on the day.